Hi friends, back to read another story to you guys. I'll move my camera a little bit like this so you can see the book better. So we're talking about lazy animals that sleep in the winter. And this book is kind of a famous children's book. Maybe you've heard it. Have you heard it before? It's called Bear Snores On. Can you give a big snore? Does your mommy or your daddy snore? My husband snores. So this is a book about a bear that's snoring. And look, all of his friends are around him. Are they asleep? No, they're not. But he's asleep, isn't he? It's called Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. In a cave in the woods, in a deep dark lair, through the long winter, sleeps a great brown bear. See him in there? It's all snowy. That's what it looks like in our world right now, isn't it? Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight. He sleeps through the day. He sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but Bear snores on. Can you give me a big snore? An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, crawls in the cave from the cold, fluffy, cold snow. So there's the little mouse. See? Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights Tweewigs with a small hot spark. So he's in Bear's den. He lit a little campfire to keep warm. The coals pip-pop. The wind doesn't stop. But guess what? Bear snores on. Give me a big snore. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. What is it? It's a rabbit, isn't it? Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. You know, that's a hare, which is a type of rabbit. "Ho, Mouse," says the hare. "Long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea on the fire. Brewing tea, making popcorn. Do you think that wakes Bear up? Popping popcorn's kind of loud. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps, big burps. Can you burp a big burp? But Bear snores on. Give me a big snore. Shh. A badger scuttles by. Snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share?" Do you think they're going to share with Badger? "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." They nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. It's noisy breaking open those nuts. Do you think it wakes Bear up? Bear snores on. Gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven fly in through the door. Oh, there's lots of animals coming to Bear's den, isn't there? Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," tweeters wren. Everybody clutters about in Bear's big den. Do you think it's going to wake Bear up now? There's an awful lot of animals in there. What do you think? They tweet and they titter and they chat and they chitter. But Bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through that party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire. Mouse seasons stew. Then a small little pepper flake And here's Mouse putting the pepper flakes in the stew. Can you see that? Tiny little pepper flake makes Bear ha, 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 choo. You know pepper makes you sneeze. You ever heard that before? He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. Oh no, they woke Bear up. And Bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls, he roars and he rumbles. He jumps and he stomps and he growls and he grumbles. He is a grumpy bear because he got woke up. You know what? Mrs. Schaefer's kind of grumpy too when I'm tired. Are you grumpy when you're tired? Bear got woke up and he wasn't finished sleeping, so now he is grumpy. You've snuck in my lair. Oh no, now look at Bear. He's crying. You've snuck in my lair and you had all the fun, but me, I was sleeping. I had none. He whimpers and he moans and he wails and he growls. Bear blubbers on. Poor Bear. He missed the party. He's sad. Mouse squeaks, don't fret. Don't fuss. Look, see? We can pop more corn and we can brew more tea. So Mouse is being a good friend and he's telling Bear, don't worry, we can do more. It's a nice friend. Look at Bear's face now. Is he still crying? He's happy. Bear gulps and he gobbles and he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales throughout the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. Look at all his friends. They're all asleep now, and Bear's awake. They're all snuggled up. Did you like that book? If you get books online or you get to check out books from the library, there are several books with Bear and these creatures as the characters. Okay. You guys have fun listening to this book. I hope you did. And I will bring you one more book about animals in the winter tomorrow. Okay, bye.